So, as per Mazolamo SABC Sport, Neo Maema is joining Simba SC on loan. Currently, he's with the squad in the Chen tournament and currently is the captain. So, he's probably going to join the end of the tournament should Bafana go all the way. We're also hearing that Simba SC is looking to lose the services of Rivaldo Kutsia, who's currently a free agent. Not confirmed yet, but we're hearing rumors that they are looking to bring him in. They've already got a former Mamelodi Sundowns player in the name of Rishin Duru, and they are also coached by a South African coach, which is Fadlu Davids. They've participated in the Confederations Cup last season, which they lost to Bekane. Yes, they lost to Bekane in the final of the CAF Confed Cup. Maybe it explains the reasons why his management chose the Simba route, and they spoke to SABC already, confirming that yes, it's because Simba SC participates in CAF, so that's going to give the player a competitive stage.